how to fix Shein returns or refunds have been delayed, especially on a Philippine bank account. Now, if you've ordered or if you've been processing for a refund, right, normally you can view its status if you go to this me icon, you go to my orders and you go to review or returns. So whichever else it is, you go to returns and you'll find your order there. Normally, Shein refunds can be delayed, but it typically processes within 7 to 14 business days after the return is received. So you must be patient for at least about 2 weeks. If you're experiencing a delay, you can first verify your returns tracking status to ensure it was delivered to Shein. If it has been delivered, you have to contact the Shein customer support. So to contact the customer support, you can tap on this help or the headphones icon from the top right hand side. When you've done that, it will take you to this particular page over here. So let me just go here. It will take you to this contact page where you can simply search for the contact, select return and refund record. Then you can select whatever order it is. You can select the order you're having the issue with, and it should be able to help you with it. That is all for today's video. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.